What's up, guys? We're back with another drink review, and I've been behind on my drinks. So we're doing a little purge right here because they keep dropping drinks, and you know, little me, I can't keep up. I can keep up what I can keep up, all right? But the two new drinks that did drop, we're gonna taste test them today, see if they hit, if they miss, or what. First one up, I know y'all been seeing this one. This is the Strawberry Shortcake Ocean Spray juice. This one has been a popular one. This has also been one hard to find, but they say it tastes exactly like strawberry shortcake in juice form. Alright, the next one is this ginger ale fruit splash. As you can see, it's another new one. This one's another hard to find. Basically, it's the hard to find shit drinks purge. Alright, but as you can see, they both the same color. And I got the big bottles because I'm an adult. We're going to drink out of the bottles because I ain't sharing. Alright, let's get with the strawberry shortcake. Let's knock this one out the way. Whoop. Sniff test. Ooh. Oh, that low-key smells like strawberry shortcake. Ooh. I feel like we could use this in a strawberry shortcake. Am I getting an idea? I'm getting an idea. Let's taste test it. Speechless. Exactly like it. Exactly like I just put a fresh slice of strawberry shortcake in my mouth. Literally. Strawberries, I taste the shortbread, I taste the whipped cream. Ocean Spray, how y'all did that? How y'all did that? This is a 10 out of 10 because I taste every component in here. Shit, I should just hit it right there. Let's see what fruit splash is hidden about. So, mostly this is just cherry. This is a cherry ginger ale. Let's go ahead and crack this bad boy open. Ooh, it smells like cherry, like the cherry Sprite version, but in ginger ale. So, I'm not getting a lot in here. Like, I'm barely getting the cherry in here. Like, you can get just mostly ginger ale. Like, I just taste plainly ginger ale. I can't taste that cherry. So, we're going to put that on the side. That ain't got flavor in it. That's just regular ginger ale. Like, if I bought a ginger ale and bought that, I would have known the difference. Low key. That's just ginger ale. I can't even rank that. I mean, it is ginger ale, but it just tastes straight like ginger ale. No cherry at all. But that one right here, that one right here, this it. But let's mix it. Let's mix it. So basically, I'm gonna make a ginger ale strawberry shortcake. Cause low key, I can't taste nothing from this ginger ale. Let's get the strawberry shortcake. We're just gonna have some Easter parts. Pour it to that corporation though. Cheers. Ooh, that tastes candified. Good mix. I taste candified. I think both of them cancel each other out to make something more sweet. Because I still can taste the strawberry shortcake in here, but this is non-existent. So yeah. Good mix. That's the end of the review, and I'll see y'all guys next time.